Good afternoon, class. Open your book at page number 255. So today's our topic is NAFTA. What is NAFTA? NAFTA's full form is North American Free Trade Agreement. So it is a trade agreement between among the different countries, namely Canada, United States, Mexico. The agreement came into effect on January 1, 1994. NAFTA typically deals in removing the tariff and non-tariff barriers to free trade and investment between the three member countries. And who are the three member countries of NAFTA? Canada, United States, and Mexico. Why they are formed? They are basically formed to remove the tariff and non-tariff barriers. NAFTA is a prime example of how liberalization of trade increases. What is liberalization? Liberalization means freedom of trading and freeing the trade from any kind of restriction, custom duties, anything that is highly charged on the trade, which makes the products very like expensive. So to avoid those things, NAFTA came into effect. NAFTA is a formal agreement that establishes clear rules for commercial activity between Canada, United States, and Mexico. NAFTA is administered by a number of institutions. Its proper implementation is based on the agreement provisions. Whatever the provisions are made in agreement, that is to be followed. NAFTA came into effect at different levels of trade and investment, so it creates employment opportunities and provide better quality products at lower prices. The general public of North America, including businessmen, workers, families, farmers, and consumers, everybody is benefited from this agreement as they can easily trade within their countries and across their neighboring countries as well, which is making them versatile in everything. NAFTA has formulated more than 30 working groups, and key areas of NAFTA include trade in goods, rules of origin, customs, agricultural services, cross-border movements of business people. Objectives of NAFTA according to Article 102. Kunal Gupta, be on time. Objectives of NAFTA. According to Article 102, the objectives of NAFTA are as follows. So basically, what are the objectives of NAFTA? Why NAFTA is formed? To eliminate the restrictions to trade, facilitate the cross-border movement of goods and services. If any kind of tariff which is being imposed on the trade is removed through this agreement. It promotes the conditions of fair competition. It allows fair competition in the free trade areas. It increases substantial investment opportunities. Whatever the investment opportunities you want to lead, it improves those. To provide adequate and effective protection, it provides adequate and effective protection to the intellectual property rights. Nobody can use the rights, like for example, things are being copyright and trademarked, so nobody can misuse that thing. It create effective procedure for implementation or application of agreement. To establish a framework for further trilateral, regional, or multilateral cooperations. Any kind of a framework which is related to trilateral, regional, multilateral cooperation, it is being established or enhanced by this agreement. Basically, NAFTA is formed for the free trade among the three nations, that is Canada, United States, and Mexico. All right, and it helps in improving the quality of trade, removing the restrictions, and providing the goods and services to different territories of the country and promote free trades. It also helps in any kind of disputes which arise in the countries, among the countries. So it helps in removing that too. All right.